Alright, y'all. Damn, I don't even like that. Alright, y'all. Back with another video. About to see what's going on with this these lights on the dash on the G. Damn, why am I fucking moving so goofy today? Hold on, let me try one more time. Alright, y'all, back with another video. I said I'm about to go see what's going on with the G. Check out some of these diagnostic codes that's on the dash. I got one of these readers, code readers. You know, the little joint that Scotty Kilmore be suggesting is one of the best bang for your bucks. So I'm gonna see how that works out. See if I can figure out what's going on. Why I got a whole lot of damn Christmas lights on the damn dash. And I'm letting it warm up right now. And let's get to it. All right, I'm in a G now. I got it warming up right now. There's really no check engine light on. Oh shit, that's crazy. Ain't even no check engine light on. I just got the airbag light on, seat belt, and the brake. I ain't got no check engine light. Oh shit, so the video I was about to shoot, I'm not shooting no more. So let me figure out what I'm gonna do. Well, I'm gonna shoot it. I'm gonna pick this joint back up once I figure it out what I'm gonna do. Alright gang, same video, different day. Man, I don't really feel like doing shit today. Nah, cut. Alright y'all, I'm back with another one. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. It's same video, different day. Fuck is my mustache? Yeah, I'm good now. Anyway, we about to do something. What it is, I don't know. Yesterday I tried to do the little scan, diagnostic scan, see what was going on with the G, but apparently none of the check engine lights was on. So I'm gonna find something else to do. Last night I tinkered off camera for a little while. I found out why my headlight be staying on when I you know, plug my battery back on, because I still haven't figured out that draw problem. Working on that. But I unhook the battery every time I stop or whatever. But anyway, long story short, I need a relay. I need a passenger, not passenger. My passenger side low beam would stay on constant. I didn't know what it was. Now I'm thinking, okay, cool. It could possibly be my relay. One of my relays is blown. So I'm gonna dig in there and sift through some of those. Maybe go buy 2 new relays and just swap them out. I mean, that's not no real diag work, but just call it a guess. I guess relays aren't that expensive. Also, I'm thinking I want to get some new headlights too. I think I want those Spec Ds, the tinted black ones. I love those. Those are lit. I'm gonna get a pair. I'm gonna get some of those, a set of those. And for some reason, I found out that my other tire ain't holding air on the rim, so I'm thinking the rim really is bent, even though, you know, it's holding tire a little bit. So eventually, some new wheels is coming soon. Suspension is coming. I think I'm gonna toss the TN, Tane. I don't know how they pronounce it, but they're the green ones. TEIN joints. I'm gonna get those. And the adjustable coilovers, bring it up and down. I ordered a new Y pipe because the one I got is this, has a hole in it, so that's where that exhaust leak coming from. Enough of that. Let's get into it. That's just a brief little outside look of it. I know I actually haven't really formally like let y'all see the whole car in the light, but it was dirty when I had it parked across the street. Had the cover on it, tons of leaves and stuff. So pulled it over here, pumped the tire up. Damn, where am I holding this camera at right now? So like I was saying, I haven't really officially let y'all see the whole car, so that was a quick little look at it. Got the lip spoiler on it. I'm really just like off today. I think it's because I had to cut the other video short yesterday when I had my mojo and I was moving. But today I ain't really feeling it, so I'm trying to force myself a little bit. So if I'm coming off a little weird today, my bad. I had to go to the damn hospital last night and get a damn COVID test. So I got this dumbass band on. I had to go to Abington. Went and got a damn, me, my mom, my step pop. We all went out to dinner with a family friend, and she happened to be positive. So now we all gotta go get tested to make sure we aren't positive. So we all went as a family and sat in that waiting room. It really wasn't that bad of a wait, but fuck it, I work in the hospital. If I really want to go sit in the hospital, I'll be getting paid for it. I don't want to just sit in anybody random ED. Anywho. I think I'm going to do something. I don't know what yet. I'm putting it together. Last night I also found out that this radio I got in here, this little Boss one, it's a little cheap little joint, but I found out that it actually has Bluetooth and everything on it, and my phone can pair to it and play a little music and everything. So that was a win for me, because man, I thought I was gonna have to just get a new radio and all that, but I'm still gonna get a whole new surrounding area. This whole little piece right here, the buttons up here, the knob is broken right here. I'm gonna get a new one, so I'm gonna get the whole piece, get the whole new piece, and I'm gonna swap in the new part I got right here for this one. So I got a new cover and compartment, because if you look down in there, it's broken in there too. So I'm gonna find me one. I think I found one. I think it's like 200 bucks the last time I seen one. So with the whole surround for the radio. The only thing is you gotta get up underneath this joint. You gotta pop this out, all of that, to get some bolts that's back up in there, so you can pull the face and everything out. But I still can hit. I can hit this door panel over there today, and then I can get the door panel from back there finally installed, and then I can close the damn back of this joint up. I need to go take it to get a detail, get this interior detail, get this smell out. I thought it was gonna smell better. Like I sprayed it down with some stuff. It still smell like smoke a little bit, just a little bit. It's like, I don't know, somehow, some way. So if you ever catch me riding, or you riding with me, it ain't focus. Here we go. Anyway, so I'm gonna hit this door panel over here. It has 3 fasteners or bolts, whatever we want to call them. One here, one in here, one in here. Once I release those, I can pull it up and out, and that should get it off. And then I have to disconnect a couple things that are connected to the back of here. It's a little lever and a what you want to call it? Like a lever and a it's like a cable. Yeah, a lever and a cable that's connected to the back of here. Gotta pop it up out of the actual handle socket, and then I think you got to disconnect the door. It's lights down in the bottom of the door. There's lights down here in the bottom of the door, like right about here. Got to disconnect that and then pull that out, and then the door panel should come all the way off. Let's get to it. My battery died on the camera, so I'm vlogging off the phone right now. This is what it looks like inside the door panel. The sad part about it is I'm gonna have to actually eventually go inside this joint here and fish my hand inside of there and replace the door actuators, the lock actuators. So the lock actuators control this one here, and this is one that when you hit your key fob, it unlocks your doors, and when you hit your power locks inside the car, it unlocks your doors. And for some reason mine isn't doing that, so I have to get a little creative. The only dope thing about mine is I can lock my car, and what G35s have is this little feature when you stick your key into the door outside, it'll actually roll your window down so you can reach your hand, and I can just unlock my car like that.
And you know something? I think you did a good job fixing those cars.
You
do a really good job fixing those cars.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
That's a really good thing. That car was over there and you moved it. You did a really, really good job.
Thank you, thank you.
I hope you're making good money doing that stuff. Yeah.
I just enjoy doing it, but
And the money is good, right?
Indeed it is.
Happy day, man. Happy day.
Have a good one, thank you. Yes, sir. See something before I go. Always a rule of thumb, you want to test it before you put it all the way back together. Damn it. I draw it on myself. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Out there watching it, getting in the hole is a little more difficult than y'all think sometimes. Y'all should try it sometimes. My girl Mira know what I'm talking about though. She definitely she get it in the hole. Inside joke, y'all get that later. All right, also another common G35 problem is this here. Flick that. So it's a way to fix it, but I'm gonna say that for another video, y'all. Yeah. See? All right, y'all see the window work? Stick the key into the ignition. I mean, it's the ignition, I'm bugging. Into the lock. By turning the key and roll the other one back up, but it won't roll this one back up. So that's how I know the actual window actuators is trash in this joint, but it'll roll the whole window down. It's one of those things. But anyway, cool little perk or a hidden feature. Watch it. Crazy, right? Turn it the other way, it's supposed to go back. Bunch of little quirks I gotta get ready for this phone. I mean, I'm tripping. I'm logging on the phone. Anyway, bunch of little quirks I gotta get fixed for this joint. So moving on to my next one. I don't know what my next move is today. I think I might just wrap this up, close this out. I probably got enough footage for a video at this point. And also, got my results back again. Your boy is COVID-19 free. Whole family good. I just should probably tell my spirit kind of picked up a little bit, but it's the end of the video. So
fighter.
holla back at y'all.
Lakey Inspired. Fight.